Now students, today we are going to start the next chapter, permutations and combinations. Now the very first point we are going to discuss is what is the fundamental principle of counting. What is fundamental principle of counting? If an event A can occur in m different ways, if an event A can occur in m different ways, following which another event B can occur in n different ways, then total number of occurrence of both the events A and B of given order is m by n. I repeat, if event A can occur in m different ways, following which another event B can occur in n different ways, then total number of occurrence of both the events A and B in given order is m into n. Let us take an example. Suppose in a cinema hall we have three entrances, E1, E2 and E3. In a cinema hall there are three entrances to enter in the hall, and we have two exits, O1 and O2. Now let us see, a person can enter through E1 and can go out through O1, or the person can enter through E1 and can go out through O2. Similarly, a person can enter through E2 and may go out through O1, and person can enter through E2 and go out through O2. And similarly, person can enter through E1, E3 and can go out through O2. So it means one possibility is E1 and O1, entry through E1 and going out through O1. Second possibility is entering through E1 and going out through O2. Then third is entering through E2 and going out through O1, or fourth possibility is entering through E2 and going out by O2, and fifth option is entering through E3 and going out through O1, and entering through E3 and going out through O2. So it means we have six possibilities. We have six possibilities. It means we have, here we can see we have three ways. We have three ways of entering into the hall. Three ways of entering, and we have two ways of going out. We can see that we have three ways of entering into the hall and two ways of going out. So it means by fundamental principle of counting, we have 3 into 2 means 6 ways. So if we have 3 ways of entering into the hall and 2 ways of going out, then it means we have 6 ways. So it means first way, second way, third way, fourth, fifth and sixth. So we can multiply the ways. Right, students? Now we shall discuss some questions, very simple questions. Exercise 6.1. Now students, the very first question of exercise 6.1 is, in a railway compartment 6 seats are vacant on a bench. In how many ways can 3 passengers sit on them? So exercise 6.1, and we are going to discuss first question. On a bench there are 6 seats. We have 6 seats on a bench, and uh, we have 3 passengers. In how many ways 3 passengers can sit on them? Now students, the first passenger, अब जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट पैसेंजर है उसके लिए 6 ऑप्शंस हैं, वो इन 6 सीट्स में से कहीं पर भी बैठ सकता है. सो इट मीन्स द फर्स्ट पैसेंजर कैन सिट, the first passenger can sit on any of the 6 vacant seats. हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग में 6 वैकेंट सीट्स है, तो जो फर्स्ट पैसेंजर है वो इनमें से किसी पर भी बैठ सकता है. आप सपोज कीजिए कि ये सीट हमारी फिल हो गई है, फर्स्ट वन. नाउ द सेकंड पैसेंजर. अब सेकंड पैसेंजर के लिए हमारे पास 5 सीट्स अवेलेबल है. वी राइट द सेकंड पैसेंजर कैन सिट, the second passenger can sit on remaining 5 vacant seats, right? Now suppose this seat is filled. Now we are left with 4 vacant seats, so it means the third passenger can sit on any of the remaining 4 vacant seats. So therefore, by fundamental rule of counting, total number of ways, so it means 6. फर्स्ट केस में 6 केस थे हमारे पास, दूसरे में 5 थे और तीसरे में थे 4. तो 6 × 5 × 4, so we are getting 120 ways, right students? So first passenger can sit in 6 ways, second passenger can sit in 5 ways, and third passenger can sit in 4 ways. So total number of ways that are possible equal to 120. Now second question is, John wants to go abroad by ship and return by air. So John will go by air and return by ship. And there are go by ship and return by air, right? And he has a choice of 6 different ships. यहाँ पर 6 different ships हैं और यहाँ पर हमारे पास 4 airlines हैं to come. 4 airlines to come. So in how many ways can he perform the journey? So question is, a man can go by ship and come back by air, and he has a choice of 6 different ships to go and 4 airlines to return. So what we write here? So there are 6 different ways. Because we have 6 ships, it means there are 6 different ways of going abroad, right? And he can return by any of the airlines, so it implies there are 4 ways of returning. So there are 4 ways of returning. So therefore total number of ways of performing the journey. Total number of ways of performing the journey equals to 6 into 4. How much? 24 ways. So this is the answer, students. I hope this is clear to you. Now the third question is, in a monthly test, the teacher decides that there will be 3 questions. There will be 3 questions, one from each of the exercise 7. One question from exercise 7, one from exercise 8 and one from exercise 9. If there are 12 questions, अब एक्सरसाइज 7 में हमारे पास 12 क्वेश्चंस हैं, उसमें से कोई एक आएगा. एक्सरसाइज 8 में हमारे पास 7 क्वेश्चंस हैं, उसमें से कोई एक आ सकता है. और एक्सरसाइज 9 में हमारे पास exercise 7 में we have 12 questions, 18 questions in exercise 8 and 9 questions in exercise 9. So in how many ways can the 3 questions be selected? So students, let us do this question. अब जो हमारे पास एक्सरसाइज 7 है उसमें हमने एक क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट करना है आउट ऑफ 12. So one question can be selected out of 12 in 12 ways. So we write one question out of 12 from exercise 7 can be selected in 12 ways. Then similarly we can write one question out of 18 from exercise 8 can be selected in 18 ways. And one question out of 9 from exercise 9 can be selected in 9 ways. So therefore total number of ways in which 3 questions can be selected equal to 12 into 18 into 9. So these are the total number of ways. 12 हो गया फर्स्ट से, 18 आपका यहाँ से आएगा और 9 आपका यहाँ से आएगा. So 12 into 18 into 9. So this is equal to 1944 ways. So total number of ways in which 3 questions can be selected is 1944 ways. Now the next question, number 4. There are 4 routes between Delhi to Mumbai. दिल्ली से मुंबई के जाने के लिए हमारे पास 4 रूट्स हैं. There are 4 routes from going Delhi to Mumbai. In how many different ways can a man go from Delhi to Mumbai and return if for returning any of the routes is taken? So first case जो है वो क्या है? Any of the routes is taken for returning. This is the first case. So now see, so what we write, solution is a man can take any one route for going from Delhi to Mumbai. So there are 4 ways. So there are 4 ways of going from Delhi to Mumbai. हमारे पास 4 रूट्स हैं. सो इट मीन्स देयर आर 4 वेज ऑफ गोइंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू मुंबई. अब फर्स्ट केस ये है कि वो किसी भी रूट से वापस आ सकता है. सो आफ्टर so we can write that he can return. Now the man can return because any of the routes can be taken for returning. So he can return from Mumbai to Delhi in 4 ways, because any of the routes can be taken, because there are 4 routes of going. So he can use any one of the 4 routes for coming back. So he can return from Mumbai to Delhi in 4 ways, because he can use any one of the routes. So therefore total number of ways. So total number of ways equal to 4 into 4. This is equal to 16. Right? So there are 16 ways of total number of ways of going to Mumbai and return to Delhi is 16. Now second case is when same route is not taken. Second case when same route is not taken for returning. मतलब ये है इसका कि जिस रूट से आप गए हो वो रूट आपने वापस आने के लिए यूज़ नहीं करना है. सो इन दिस वी राइट इन द सेम वे. सो नंबर ऑफ वेज ऑफ गोइंग, फ्रॉम Delhi to Mumbai will be 4, and number of ways of coming back this is equal to 3. Now we are taking 3 because जिस रूट से वो गया है उस रूट को हमने नहीं लेना है. So number of ways of coming back will be 3. Right, students? So total number of ways now. So total number of ways equal to now will be 4 into 3 12. So पहले केस में हमारे बने थे 16 और अब इस केस में हमारे कितने बनेंगे? 12 केसेस बनेंगे. Students, I hope this is clear to you. Now students, number 5th question, from a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming that one person cannot hold more than one persons. सो हमारे पास जो कमेटी है वो 8 पर्सनस की है, एक कमेटी ऑफ 8 पर्सनस, कमेटी ऑफ 8 पर्सनस हमारे पास है। और हमने एक तो सिलेक्ट करना है चेयरमैन और एक हमने सिलेक्ट करना है वाइस चेयरमैन, वाइस चेयरमैन। और कंडीशन क्या गिवन है कि one person, this is given to us that one person cannot hold more than one position, cannot hold more than one position। इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ कि एक ही बंदा जो है, ये नहीं है कि वो चेयरमैन भी बन जाए और वाइस चेयरमैन भी बन जाए। एक आदमी को एक ही पर्सन वो मिलेगी पोस्ट, या तो चेयरमैन की या वाइस चेयरमैन की। ये नहीं है कि एक ही के पास चेयरमैन भी है और वो वाइस चेयरमैन भी है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन। सो हमारे पास 8 पर्सन्स हैं। सो chairman can be selected हमारे पास 8 पर्सन्स हैं और हमने कोई एक सिलेक्ट करना है। सो चेयरमैन कैन बी सिलेक्टेड इन हाउ मेनी वेज? 8 वेज। चेयरमैन कैन बी सिलेक्टेड इन 8 वेज सिंस one person cannot hold more than one position, cannot hold more than one position। So the number of candidates left for the post of वाइस चेयरमैन। हमारे पास 8 कैंडिडेट थे, उसमें से एक सिलेक्ट हो गया चेयरमैन के लिए। अब कितने बचे? 7। सो नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स लेफ्ट फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ चेयरमैन आर 7। So therefore vice chairman can be selected in 7 ways, So therefore total number of ways in which a chairman and a vice chairman can be selected eight into 7 equal to 56 ways। So this is the answer, students. I hope this is clear to you. Now students, the next question is each section of class 12th in a school has 40 students. If there are 4 sections, in how many ways can a set of 4 student representative be selected, one from each section? हमारे पास +2 के 4 सेक्शंस हैं, +2A, +2B, +2C एंड +2D। हमारे पास 4 सेक्शन हैं और इन सभी में 40 स्टूडेंट्स हैं। इन 4 सेक्शंस में सभी में 40 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और हमने क्या करना है, हर सेक्शन से एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो है वो सिलेक्ट करना है। अब सेक्शन ए में हमारे पास 40 स्टूडेंट्स हैं एंड एनी वन ऑफ द 40 स्टूडेंट्स कैन बी सिलेक्टेड एज ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। So it means one student representative. So we write one student representative can be selected from plus 2a equal to 40 ways. Similarly, from plus 2b in how many ways? Similarly, one student representative can be selected from plus 2b is also in 40 ways, and one student representative can be selected from plus 2c 40 ways, and one student representative can be selected from plus 2d 40 ways. So therefore total number of ways in which a set of 4 students representative can be selected equal to, so 40 into 40 into 40 into 40, it means 256 followed by 4 zeros. So these are the number of ways. Now students, I hope these questions are clear to you. The remaining questions will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.